Good evening, everyone. Mazes okay here. Just a quick update. As you all know, the Abia State Governor Okezie Ikpeazu, who tested positive to COVID-19 on the 7th of June 2020, is now negative, and the rumor that he somehow was, he couldn't make it is not true. So this is the video showing that he is alive and healthy. So the question here is, I want to make it very short. Okezie Ikpeazu, this message is for you. Now, the good Lord has given you a second chance. Go back and fix Abba. What we are demanding, and the reason why we keep referring you to Abba, is nothing else. We're not asking you for anything. All we'd say, Abba is a mess. And you are an Ongwa man. You are from that area. Go back and fix Abba. God has given you a second chance. Utilize it and fix Abba. It is not anything, it is not impossible for you to do. Okay? We at Njenje Media, we say, welcome back and good recovery. Just take your time, do a full recovery, think and think again. Just think about the legacies you will leave. Please use the opportunity of your second chance of life that you are now alive. Many people couldn't survive COVID, but thank God you survived COVID. Now it is time to fix Abba. Get back to work, get men of integrity, and go and fix Abba. Abba is the heartland of the Igbo nation, the industrial hub of the Igbo nation, the Japan of Africa. Fix Abba and let the Igbo nation be great once more, because that is the reason why you've been elected. You were elected because of the promises that you made that you're going to fix Abba. We haven't seen that happen. You have less than 2 years and 9 months now before the campaign starts. Okezie Ikpeazu, go back and fix Abba, and the good Lord will bless you. Remain blessed. This is once more Mazes okay.
That's the executive governor of Abia State. Today, the 7th of July, 2020. The governor is set, about to begin his activities today. Nigerians expect more. Abians, Chengofo, expect more.
What are you not saying? What are you not saying?
Those who did not want to see me again. That's the governor. Ready for today's activities. All those who thought I would disappear.
T-Bag is back.
T-Bag is back. Second, Dr. Obani Okoma taking his turn. Dr. Mike, take your turn. Dr. Mike taking his turn. That's the governor's boy, James Wambroka, taking his turn. Yeah.
No, I didn't. I didn't really. I mean, okay.